Welcome to beautiful Thailand, except the pigs who populated the tourist locals who belong to the same tribe of Iber pigs. Not even pigs, people are not here. Look at that. Yeah, okay, there's a garbage next door, so we leave on the next door. This is so disgusting. This is Thailand all over. People are just fucking dirty. Sorry if you love you, Thai people, you've been so kind, but you are so disgraceful, dirty, no respect for the environment. Look at this shit. Coca-Cola. Why don't you stop creating biodegradable? Because humans are never going to learn. This is disgusting. This is the nicest waterfall you can think of in the Kham area. Yeah, so let's try to have a look at the beauty around. That's the beauty. Yeah. Tapping the water here, of course, is the cleanest water you can think of. Yeah, great waterfall. I cleaned a bit last night, so it's a bit flowing, but you can see from the light and the water where the water goes normally when it's a rainy day. That's peaceful nature and what humans can make of it. Humans are just too lazy to take the garbage back with them. I don't know if our government is ever going to educate people in the end. It's concern of tourists and so on, doesn't think about Japan, but I'm totally disgusted by Thailand on this aspect. Let me clear on this aspect, but it's an important aspect. Everywhere you go on the nature of this planet,